My name is Priest Wesley Kelly. I'm the high priest for the Eli Selassie, Jah Rastafari, Royal Ethiopian Judah Coptic Church. We are here today to celebrate and to upkeep the work of Abraham Traore, the president of Burkina Faso. We are in support of the president for the liberation of our black mother country, Africa. So while we are gathered here in support of Ibrahim, the black liberator that may come in will be in coordination of Black Liberation Day. So that's why we are all gathered here today. The 30th of the month, that this month, April, is the month of the Rastafarian month, that we have claimed proclamation in 2017 that this month must be recognized as the Rastafarian month. And that's why we are here in support of Abraham Traore to liberate Mother Africa from the white colonizers.
What if anything was said that ignites your desire to be here in support of Ibrahim?
Well, you see, the work of our leaders must take a page out of Abraham Traore's book that he has written now, The Changing of the Guard, to liberate our motherland and our fatherland. Jamaica is the fatherland. Africa, Ethiopia is our motherland. So we in this island home, the island in the sun, must separate, must agitate for our rights. So it's a great pleasure to share this moment with the eye. Black liberation.
Blessed be the Most High Emperor Haile Selassie the First, Jah Rastafari. We are here today as African descendants in the diaspora. We are here supporting our African leaders coming together in one unity to show love, to show peace, to show joy and happiness to Mother Africa once more. So we are here standing up for the rights of our people. The last year, Jah Rastafari.
Freedom to the land. What led to this gathering this morning?
It's just the fire that burned from colonialism. To make them know that to ease off and leave I and I alone. So you know? Yeah, so you know what go? I just Africa we say. Round and about near and far. Worldwide. Mama Africa. To everyone. All African leaders just make we unite and come together in one. Yeah. And all Caribbean islands. Yeah. So you know Jamaica have to lead out for the world and its people. So you don't know. One perfect love. Rastafari. Yeah man, this is Isa Strong. I'm here to make it right. I'll never make it.
We stand with Ibrahim Traore for the liberation that he has brought to Burkina Faso, his country. We stand with our solidarity as a Rastafari community. Right now, they have been plundering Africa and they have been killing our presidents. Stop killing our presidents in Africa. Let our presidents in Africa rule their country and countries without the interference of the Western powers, without the interference of the USA government, without the interference of France.
Greetings, I am Rasnegas of Rastafari Roadhouse, a member of the Rastafari community here in Jamaica. I want to say Ibrahim Traore, Captain. We are with you, the Rastafari community in Jamaica. We are with you. We are proud of you. See, we are a true leader in you. And I want you to continue to do your work. Europe, back off. America, back off. The whole of Rome, back off. Captain is the man who come to lead Africa. You find the future in you. We want more African leaders to move in the way in which you are moving towards government. So last year I left.
I am Priest Jeremy Fagan of the Selassie School of Vision and Bible Study, official Sabbath worship. We fully endorse Ibrahim Traore in Africa for what he is doing. The people is a testimony itself who love what the Virgin is doing. So America need to change its foreign policy and mind their own business and allow the man to exercise his sovereignty. Thank you.
Greetings, my royal African family, those at home and those abroad. This is Kamala skillfully representing out of the Sugarloaf Peak, Nyabingi Center, Soweto, Burkina. Rise up! How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? We stand united in our fight against oppression and for self-determination. Captain Traore, we are with you 100%, and I salute you. Jamaica Island.
Greetings, Rastabuki here representing Life Yard and the Rastafari community, and also representing Rastafari mansions and organizations, the RMO. We here as the Rastafari community in Jamaica stand in solidarity with Captain Ibrahim Traore. Time will tell, and show. History herself will show him standing as a true warrior within testimony of this time. So we as Rastafari community here in Jamaica, over land and sea, stand with Captain Ibrahim Traore on this journey.
As a Jamaican, I stand African. We stand with the leader of Burkina Faso, President Ibrahim Traore. We know a lot of great men and women have fought for our liberty over centuries. Today, this man, youngest African president, is doing it, and we ought to be aware, we ought to stand up. Burkina, Jamaica, one love.
I feel living my life though, more than a hype. This is my legacy. This being my destiny. Black excellence, black opulence, black elegance.
Hashtag hands off for Kanafas, hashtag Jamaica.
Right in Jamaica. Every Rasta there. And we are sending a message to America. Enough is enough. We don't not touch Ibrahim Traore. We don't not touch him. We don't use Obama. And we don't bomb up it. We don't bomb up down so and take the Gaddafi from away. We don't not touch Ibrahim Traore. And enough more people want to touch the way. Donald Trump and you, Mr. Langley, or where you want to name the captain, you need to understand that the spirit of the ancestors are here. And the long time black people are hold back. No, we not hold back. If you touch Ibrahim, you touch Jamaicans. You touch real Africans in Jamaica. And every American in Jamaica needs to be careful if we don't touch him. Are we serious? We're dead serious.
Very serious.
We're very serious.
Very, very serious.
Well, and I'm not talking.
No, I the kingdom.
Yeah. Yeah.
destruction of Africa concerns all of us. And we are set. Church pastors will ask you Sunday morning, Sabbath, return to sender, return to sender. Any destruction of plan, you kind of only concerned about myself, but the upliftment and liberation of all Africans. And anything of plan, anything that's a return to sender.
Return to sender. We don't send CIA agents and all kind of people for destabilize people's economy. We sick and tired of UNO, America and France and Europe. UNO go ahead. Revolution.
Red, white, and blue.
Revolution.
Got nothing to do with you.
Revolution.
No red, white, and blue.
No red, white, and no blue.
Red, green, gold, and green. Remember me tell you.
Hey family, how are you? Thank you for clicking back to this amazing channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be among the first to be notified. To our returning subscribers, thank you. We don't take your support for granted. In this video, we see the Jamaicans, the Jamaican Rastafarians are supporting Ibrahim Traore. They're supporting him to show the Western countries, the Western community, that it is time for Africa to do what they feel is good for their country and the continent, but not what the Western countries and the Western communities want the Africans to do. They are against the US, most especially Trump, getting involved in things that are happening in Africa. For example, in Burkina Faso. They are also saying they will no longer be cowards. They'll stand for their countries. They'll stand for their continent. They will fight for it. The Africans feel that the Western community usually controls them when it comes to the resources that are in a certain country. For example, the gold that is in Burkina Faso, mostly it's mined by the Western communities companies, which honestly should be mined by the country's company to like make the country grow, enhance the country's economy, and also improve the standards of living of the people of that certain country. Now, the Western communities have taken charge of the mining, which is not fair to those countries. That is why the president of Burkina Faso, Ibrahim Traore, has taken or rather terminated the contracts of those companies, and now it's under the companies of Burkina Faso. The Africans had really summoned a lot of courage to face the Western communities and like air their complaints, where their concerns, and hopefully they will be heard at. And now it's Africa spreading the love, the unity, the togetherness, the courage, and maybe later, maybe some days to come, the fruits will be out there. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below what you think. Till next time, bye.